In this video, we'll present to you the top 5 best vegetable spiralizers on the market today. Regardless of whether you're looking for the budget option or through the best to the best, we have chosen one for each category and we'll have one for you. We made this list in no particular order, so if you're interested in what many best spiralizers will work best for you, stay tuned. As always, all the links about the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. So if you want to find the best prices and more information that we might not get a chance to mention in the video, be sure to check it out. Now let's get to the video. One, Spiralizer 5-blade vegetable slicer, strongest and heaviest spiral slicer. Spiralizer 5-blade vegetable slicer is a great overall countertop spiralizer. Including 5 blades and manufactured with exceptional quality, it is capable to be a kitchen favorite product for years. The blades are wide in size and ranges long that allows making several creative dishes simply by changing the steel. It is a 3rd generation model and 35 more substantial as compared to the older products. Spiralizer 5-blade vegetable slicer is made with ABS plastic and includes stainless steel blades. It is capable of handling vegetables with hard roots like potatoes and turnip, etc., which allows you to do initial work for your recipe. Two, OXO Good Grips 3-blade tabletop spiralizer with strong hold suction. If you are searching to get a valuable kitchen appliance spiralizer that can produce curly and uniform noodles from various vegetables and fruits for you quickly, then this OXO Good Grips 3-blade tabletop spiralizer is exactly the product what you need. The OXO Good Grips 3-blade tabletop spiralizer is one of the best spiralizer in the market. It includes 3 removable stainless steel blades, which helps you make several cuts like spaghetti cut, fettuccine cut, ribbon cut noodles, and much more. 3. KitchenAid KSN2 APC Spiralizer. KitchenAid KSN2 APC Spiralizer is a perfect electric spiralizer for those who already have KitchenAid stand mixer. It is an accessory which helps you to make tasty culinary delights. It allows you to experience its capabilities with fresh fruits and vegetables. If you are searching for the best quality food spiralizer and need it to be electric, you must consider this product. The KitchenAid Spiralizer offers various useful features as it fits with any type and model of KitchenAid stand mixer and works marvelously with that. It can connect with the power hub of the mixer and permits to use the motor power, and you don't need to pick any handle. You just need to position the spiralizer and the motor of the mixer will do all the remaining job for you. 4. Bella 146414-in-1 Electric Spiralizer with Recipe Book Light. Bella 146414-in-1 is an automatic electric spiralizer and a stylish kitchen tool. It is capable to cut a 6-inch piece of vegetable or fruit in just a few seconds. It will transform your favorite fruits and vegetables into ribbons for adding flavor and variety to your menu. Bella includes a 70-watt vigorous motor. It offers a hands-free use along with auto-stop feature, which automatically turns the machine off when the vegetables are completely spiralized. So you don't need to place your finger anywhere near the cutting tool, which ensures the ultimate safety. 5. Spiral Slicer Spiralizer Complete Bundle. Best vegetable spiralizer and cutter. Spiral Slicer Spiralizer Complete Bundle is the best vegetable cutter and spiralizer in the market. It is manually powered, which gives you various useful benefits. You will not run short of power, and also it allows you to run it fast or slowly for delivering the top quality results and allow you make a better noodle spaghetti. It is made up of plastic, which is surprisingly unbreakable even if hits hardly because of its thickness. That makes it more reliable and durable, so everyone could buy it without any hesitation. Additionally, it has polished hand grips which are made of stainless steel on both sides. The grips are very strong also and can be fit in your hands smoothly and comfortably.
You can find links, price and description to these products in the description box. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.